A very good evening to all of you, all those who are watching us, who have logged in through Zoom, and all those who are watching us now on Facebook Live. So a great welcome to all of you to Sanji Sanj Talks, an initiative by Harikrit NGO, which is promising to बुजुर्गों को समझे और साथ में बुजुर्ग भी अगर यंगर जनरेशन को थोड़ा बेहतर समझे तो एक अच्छी तालमेल लाई जा सकती है और जिंदगी बहुत ज्यादा सुकून के साथ बिताई जा सकती है। इसीलिए जो हमारा आज का टॉक है सांझी सांझ टॉक्स, उसका इंटेंशन सिर्फ इतना है कि आपके सामने इंफॉर्मेटिव इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स लाना, और जब उस टॉपिक से इंटरेस्ट हो के आप यहाँ आए तो हम साथ में उन टॉपिक्स के बारे में तो बात करें ही, हम बात करें हमारे एनजीओ के बारे में, जिससे और अवेयरनेस फैले। छोटी छोटी चीजें होती हैं जो अगर हम बेहतर करें, छोटे कदम उठाएं, तो हम एक बहुत ही अच्छा कल अपने लिए बना सकते हैं और इंश्योर कर सकते हैं कि हमारे बड़ों का आशीर्वाद, उनका हाथ हमारे सर पे हमेशा बना रहे। तो इस सोच के साथ हमने लॉन्च की सांझी सांझ टॉक्स, जिसका मेन मोटिव है आप तक बुजुर्गों की बातें पहुंचाना, जरिया अलग अलग लेके इस बात को कम्युनिकेट करना कि हम कैसे अपने बुजुर्गों का ज्यादा ध्यान रख सकते हैं, उनकी कौन सी ऐसी बातें हैं जो कई बार हम नहीं समझते, जिसके कारण कुछ चीजें आगे पीछे हो सकती हैं। और इस पूरी सोच के पीछे हैं हमारी एनजीओ की फाउंडर श्रीमती जेवी मनीषा, जो कई लोगों से मिली, बुजुर्गों के साथ कई सालों से जुड़ी हुई है। और जैसे मैंने कहा कि एनजीओ 18 साल पुरानी है, आज तक एनजीओ टोटली सेल्फ फंडेड रही है, जिसमें मनीषा जी ने अपनी खुद के उससे जो भी वो अर्न करती आई हैं वो एनजीओ में लगाया है। पर अब बात और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हमें जरूरत है और सपोर्ट की। तो या तो आप हमारे साथ वॉलंटियर कर सकते हैं, या फिर आप हमें अगर फाइनेंशियली हेल्प कर सके तो और भी अच्छी बात है। लेकिन मेरे लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट अभी ये है कि इस प्रोग्राम को आगे ले जाऊं, और उसको आगे ले जाने का मेरा जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है इज टू इंट्रोड्यूस द फाउंडर सेक्रेटरी ऑफ हरिकृत एनजीओ। लाइक आई सेड, Manisha ji, she has been running this NGO for last 18 years and has been instrumental in creating a dialogue between the younger generation and our senior citizen. So, Manisha ji, over to you for the next part of today's evening.
Thank you so much, Rashi. Thanks a lot. In fact, what all I wanted to say, you have already communicated. So there is very little left for me. In fact, there is one thing which I would say. व्हेन पीपल आस्क अस कि आपका ओल्ड एज होम किधर है, तो हम लोग अक्सर ये कहते हैं कि अपने घर को ही ऐसा बना लो कि ओल्ड एज होम बनाने की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े। तो हमारे देश में ओल्ड एज होम्स क्यों बनाए जाएं? मतलब हम इतने गए गुजरे हैं कि अपने पेरेंट्स का ध्यान नहीं रख सकते। वेल, रीज़न ये नहीं होता अलग होने का, रीज़न ये भी नहीं होता कि हम व्यस्त हो गए हैं। रीज़न सिर्फ ये है कि समय जैसा चेंज होता रहता है, उसके साथ साथ हम अपनी सोच नहीं बदल पाते। और क्योंकि हम सोच नहीं बदल पाते, तो अपनी अपनी सोच लेकर जब हम सारे चलते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं दुराव छिपाव होना या प्रॉब्लम्स का आना आवश्यक है। और ऐसा अक्सर होता है, बुजुर्गों के साथ भी होता है, हमारे साथ भी होता है। कभी हम समझ नहीं पाते, कभी वो समझ नहीं पाते, और इसी नासमझी में ज़िंदगी हाथ से निकल जाती है। तो इस वेबिनार का, इस कॉन्सेप्ट का, हरिकृत का बेसिक इरादा यही है कि ज़िंदगी हाथ से निकले नहीं, और हम सभी एज के लोग अपने अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ को प्रॉपरली निभाएं, और ये एक खूबसूरत सा जहां बने। पर इस खूबसूरत जहां में मिठास भरने के लिए और मस्ती ज़रूरी है कि हमारे पास अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें हों। अब चीज़ों की अगर आज की जनरेशन से बात की जाए, तो सबसे पहली आती है या तो फूल या तो चॉकलेट। अब फूल तो इस मौसम में आप जहाँ नज़र घुमाएंगे वहीं दिख जाएंगे, क्योंकि मौसम बड़ा खूबसूरत है। पर इस मौसम में अगर फूलों के साथ साथ चॉकलेट भी हो, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि एल्डरली की बात है और मैं चॉकलेट की बात कर रही हूँ, बट क्या करूँ, आज की जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, जो हमारे पूरे सेशन को चॉकलेटी मिठास से भरने वाले हैं, उनके लिए ये बात कहनी बहुत ज़रूरी है। समहाउ चॉकलेट एक्चुअली, मुझे तो लगता है शायद मेरे बचपन से मेरी लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रही है। और हमारे साथ जितने लोग इस सेशन पे जूम से जुड़े हुए हैं, वो और जो फेसबुक पे देख रहे हैं, वो सब जानते हैं कि चॉकलेट कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है। विरले ही होते हैं जिन्हें चॉकलेट पसंद नहीं होती, एंड आई डोंट लाइक दोज पीपल। चॉकलेट बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ होती है, और जो चॉकलेट के बारे में बात करते हैं वो और भी बढ़िया होते हैं। सो नाउ let me just introduce you to the person who has special place, a very special place in his life for chocolate. And this person is Deepak Toshniwal ji. Now I'm really really glad to have you here, Deepak ji. And I must say ki having you here is something really really great, because I have learned that you have multiple feathers in your cap. So I will, one after the other, I will talk about it, and a very warm welcome to you. And in fact, Sanji Sanj is really, really great and thankful that you actually took out time to be with us and to enlighten us about such a beautiful thing called chocolate. So, and especially you agreed to talk about elder care, chocolate and elder care. Difficult to bridge, no, but I know you will bridge that. So Dr. Now let me just speak about Dr. Deepak Toshniwal. He is a PhD scholar and has over 25 years of industry experience. He's a pharmaceutical industry veteran and has led the launch of pharmaceutical products in over 50 countries, and has served as the country head of Spanish Pharma Major. Currently, he serves as the CEO of Disha Foods, a chocolate manufacturing company which makes over 230 types of chocolate. Oh my God. I would like to taste all of them. Now he's actively involved in multiple charitable causes too, like water conservation, sanitation, mother and child care, women empowerment, blood donation, etc. He has been associated with Rotary International for past 12 years, and has also served as the president of Rotary Club. He has also received many awards for his contribution, like Entrepreneur of the Year Award by Times of India Group, Best Startup Award in Chocolate Industry, Special Award of Recognition for Water Conservation. Great. Even during Corona time, he has been doing his bit to help people, and was awarded Surya Gaurav Award for being a COVID warrior. My God, it's really, really great. I mean, I have no words to express my gratitude towards this whole lot. And I think I can actually go on talking and go on reading because I have lots to read. I have multiple number of pages about you, Deepak ji. So I will not read much, but I know people are willing to know more about. So just few things about you is that. He is also part of the Sexual Harassment Redressal Committee for many organizations, members of Indian Pharmaceuticals Association, and has many more accomplishments to his credit. And today is a great day, is a very special day, not because he's here with us, because it is his birthday also. So my very good wishes to you, Deepak ji. A very happy birthday from
Thank
Harikrit
you.
family, from Sanji Sanj team, for everyone who is watching you. And with this, I welcome you on the event. And Rashi, अगर आपने मुझे ब्रेक नहीं लगाई तो मैं बोलती जाऊंगी. So better you take the battle.
Thank you so
Welcome,
much.
Deepak ji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Manisha ji, for that wonderful introduction and taking us through the certain basics of Harikrit NGO. Once again, welcome Deepak ji and wish you a very happy birthday. Glad to have you here with us today on this special occasion. Now let's launch straight into the topic. We are going to talk about chocolates, but I have a question. While I was listening to Manisha ji about your background and your experience in the pharma industry, I am a little confused. You know, pharma industry and running a chocolate company, how did that happen?
So first and foremost, thank you to Manisha ji for such lovely introduction. Thank you Rashi for inviting me today, and thank you each and everybody who's listening me today, who's watching this, and all the members of the Harikrit NGO who have they have invited me. First and foremost, thank you so much to each and everybody. And being a birthday, it's a special day, and it's a what a pleasurable movement for me that I am celebrating my birthday with everybody. So thank you so much for that. And coming back to now your question, let me come to you. So I'll be talking in English and Hindi so that सबके साथ हम बांध सके और सबके साथ रहे. So it's a very interesting one. Even मुझे खुद को पता नहीं था कि मैं चॉकलेट में आने वाला हूँ, मुझे भी नहीं पता था. तो एक छोटी सी स्टोरी है. फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं एक वेजिटेरियन हूँ. फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं एक वेजिटेरियन हूँ. तो जब भी मैं बाहर के कंट्रीज में जाता था, तो वहाँ के बड़े शहरों में तो वेजिटेरियन फूड मिल जाता था. बट जब हम when we go to downtown, they don't understand the word called vegetarian. They understand vegetarian मतलब उनके लिए फिश है, उनके लिए एग्स है, सब कुछ है. और मैं इतना प्योर वेजिटेरियन हूँ, I don't even eat egg and I neither use in my products. So that is first and foremost things. तो वहां पर क्या हो गया कि मैं क्या करता था, I used to go to a mall. वहां के नजदीक के मॉल में जाता था. दिस स्टोरी राशि इवन यू डोंट नो. तो वहां के एक मॉल में जाता था और मैं क्या करता था, वहां पर जो ग्रीन लोगो लगे हुए चॉकलेट्स है, वो चॉकलेट्स उठा के मेरे बैग में रक्षक में डालता था. और जितने दिन जाता था उसके हिसाब से मैं चॉकलेट्स लेके खरीद के बैग में डाल के जाता था. एंड व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल and I used to eat in other words, I used to survive on chocolates. तो एक दिन क्या हो गया, जब एक आधा ट्रिप में मैं जा रहा था, तो I took chocolates for 3 days. And we started in the early morning, and while we were traveling, so I started eating. So at the end of the evening, maybe we reached at 8 to 9 o'clock in the place where we were destined to go. I put my hand in my bag to take the chocolate, but unfortunately or fortunately, I ate all the chocolates of 3 days in one day. So that moment, that made me strike कि मैंने एक क्यों इतनी चॉकलेट्स खाई. एक, क्या मुझे उतनी भूख लगी थी, या फिर there was something, उसमें कहीं कुछ है जो मैं इतना खा गया. क्या हो सकता है? And I'm in a country of Africa. मुझे एक अजीब सा सवाल भी आया, कहीं इसमें ड्रग्स तो नहीं है. I had some very typical and very this thing. So then my curiosity started building. I started to ask people. I started my analysis. I started my research. कि क्या है क्या कि मैं इतने चॉकलेट्स खा गया. बट एज अ फार्मा पर्सन यू ऑलवेज गो इनटू डीप एनालिसिस एंड सी कि क्यों, अगर कोई दवा भी है तो किस लिए ली जा रही है और उसमें क्या क्या है. So that is what I went there. Then I found out and came to know that I am standing in a country where world's #1 cocoa is produced. I was in Ghana, I was in Africa. So from there, जब मुझे पता चला कि यहाँ पर है और यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड के सारे चॉकलेटियर्स बैठे हैं, जैसे कि हम राशन दुकान में जाते थे और चावल या शक्कर लेके आते थे, there's a cocoa board there, you don't get cocoa like this. So मैं क्या किया, out of curiosity आते वक्त 10 kg लेके आ गया and I got it at home and kept it. And from there जब भी मैं बाहर जाता तो बैग एक अट्रैक्शन रहता था मुझे बैग में, और वो बैग मुझे कुछ ना कुछ ये कर रहा था. एंड फ्रॉम देयर I started my research there. And from there I started my research. तो ये एक स्टोरी है, यहाँ तक की है. इसके आगे I will tell you कि इसके आगे I think I don't know whether I should continue or you want me to ask some question.
Absolutely, because अभी तक तो आपने research बताया, but उसका what was the impact of that research? So please continue with the story. That's very interesting to know.
So now what happened, I'll tell you. So now यहाँ पर I started studying the each and every brand of the chocolate of every country. अभी मेरे इतने सारे देशों में दोस्तों से बातचीत होती थी तो उनसे एक ही चीज बोलता था at the end of the talk, why don't you send some good chocolates of your country? तो इस तरीके से मैं चॉकलेट्स जमा करते जाता था and I should study them. And at the end, when I studied in our countries the chocolates, what I found, the results were very, very, very not so satisfying for me, because most of the chocolates present in the market are caramel based product. They are caramel based. What is caramel? That is burnt sugar, and that is not so good. And then you'll find a lot of chocolatiers in कोई सब लोग एक कंपाउंड मिलता है, एक चीज मिलती है और एक स्लैब मिलता है और उससे बनाते हैं. The problem is there are a lot of things where that contains a lot of hydrogenated oil and palm oil, which is very dangerous. And in fact, I say it is worse than a roadside pani puri. These are the two reasons which prompted me that I should bring the original cocoa-based chocolate to the country, to the world. So this is my nutshell में ये मेरी background, ये मेरा story था और इस वजह से मैं इस industry में आया.
Sir, though now you have intrigued my interest even further, that you said that most of the chocolates available in the market are caramel based. So how does one understand? I am a layman. You did the research, understood that. Is there any way for me as a layman to understand the difference between an original cocoa based chocolate and a caramel based chocolate?
Okay, Rashi, in fact, this question I thought I will talk it in the end, but no problem. I will talk it here. In fact, before telling that, let me tell you something about the chocolate part कि ये क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. See, chocolate एक ऐसा चीज है, it's very glamorous. जब दिखने में, सोचने में और किसी चीज के लिए it's a glamorous. It is used in glamorous things, but it is very, very, very sensitive product. 1 डिग्री का टेम्परेचर इधर या उधर उसका टेस्ट चेंज हो जाता है, उसके फ्लेवर्स चेंज हो जाते हैं, उसके सारे चीज चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी, वेरी, वेरी केयरफुल. ये जितना प्रेजेंटेबल है उतना ही सेंसिटिव है. सो राशि, आई वांट टू टेल कि चॉकलेट्स के बारे में मैं बहुत कुछ बात कर सकता हूँ, बट टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट ओनली सर्टेन पॉइंट्स. सो वन ऑफ द पॉइंट व्हिच यू हैव आस्क्ड मी, आई विल टेल यू कि जहां पर आपको लगे कि इसमें ज्यादा फैट्स है, इसमें ज्यादा कैरामल है, या जिसमें ज्यादा व्हाट यू कॉल लॉट ऑफ अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स आर देयर, तो जब आप चॉकलेट खाते हो, कोई भी चॉकलेट आप लेके खाते हो, तो सबसे पहली बात है कि जब आपको खाने के बाद इफ यू गेट थर्स्ट, अगर आपको प्यास लगती है, तो समझ जाना कि इसमें बहुत सारा फैट्स है. इसमें बहुत सारा फैट्स है. दैट कैन बी any kind of vegetable fat से लेके everything. That is one of the tip which I is going to tell you today. This is one. And और एक चीज जो है, जो दांत में कई लोगों के दांत सेंसिटिव होते हैं, जब दांत में जाके एक सडनली एक शॉक के जैसा होता है, कई लोगों के इसमें जो थोड़ा सा शॉक होता है, दैट इज ऑल कैरामल बेस्ड, इट्स ऑल कैरामल बर्न्ड शुगर बेस्ड। वो जाके जब आपको चिपकता है दांत में, ये होता है, तो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम विच इज हैविंग। तो उसमें जो है सारी चीजें है ना, ये सारी चीजें आपको ध्यान से रखनी पड़ती है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, आपको कोको परसेंटेज देखना है, नंबर 3। So these are the 2-3 things which you have to keep it in mind when you have a chocolate or when you try to select a chocolate. There are certain more deep studies which I can tell you in further, but these are some basic things which which I have shared with you.
So ये तो इनिशियल चीज अबाउट द चॉकलेट डिफरेंशिएशन हो गई। एक और चीज which has come to my this thing is that when Manisha ji was introducing you, she said that in Disha chocolates you have 230 different type of chocolates. Now this is something unprecedented. I've not heard anybody have those many types of chocolates. So we'll come to that, but before that, आप ही की बात से, you said you got chocolates to India. So I believe the moment you got cocoa and started making chocolates, that is when you started Disha Foods.
Yes, so it was almost I think 8 to 9 years back when I got this cocoa, and then when I started doing, and see, India I always consider not as a country but as a continent. यहाँ पर अगर बंगाल में रसगुल्ला पसंद है, तो गुजरात में जिलेबी पसंद है, तो कर्नाटका में मैसूर पाक पसंद है। तो यहाँ पर मीठा चीज कोई अगर लेके आना है, यू हैव टू बी रियली स्मार्ट, और तुमको सोच के डालना पड़ेगा। तो चॉकलेट्स में मुझे भी वही प्रॉब्लम आया, मुझे वही अड़चन आई कि मैं किस फ्लेवर के चॉकलेट लेके आऊं। एंड वन थिंग वाज वेरी क्लियर इन माय माइंड कि जो मार्केट में है मुझे वो नहीं करना है, मुझे I need to add some value to the industry. देखो, I believe in one thing राशि, अगर आज हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज कर रहे हैं, अगर आज हम मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब किसी ने मेहनत करके इसको यहाँ तक लेके आए हैं। So what I feel is every individual, every human being should add something to humanity, to value what you do. तो मुझे ये इंडस्ट्री में कुछ ना कुछ ऐड करना था। अगर जो मार्केट में चल रहा है मुझे अगर वही करना है, then I am not adding anything to that. तो इसीलिए तो सब ये करना था। तब मैंने क्या किया, I did research in various states of the country. I will tell you 4 flavors which can be, you tell any states, it can go very well. Number 1, mango. Number 1 mango, आप कोई भी स्टेट ले लो चलेगा। Number 2 rose. Number 3 strawberry. आप कहीं भी लेके चले जाइए स्ट्रॉबेरी, आपको 100% किसी भी हालत में चलेगा। एंड फोर्थ इज कैरामल। आप ये 4 चॉकलेट आप फ्लेवर्स आप कहीं भी चलिए, ये कहीं भी इट विल पसंद आएंगे सबको। सो दिस फ्रॉम हियर आई स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी। तो यहाँ पर मैं धीरे शुरुआत किया, और फिर मैंने से देखिए, इफ यू सी, मेरा चॉकलेट का नाम है दिशा चॉकलेट्स। And I will tell you one thing. I always believed in one thing, that from day one, my burning desire was only one, that I need to sell it in 100 countries, or in other words, I wanted 100 countries to buy Indian chocolates. So I called my company as Disha Chocolate ICC, not Indian Cricket Council, but Indian Chocolate Company.
Wow.
मुझे ये था कि I want somebody should recognize the company as Indian Chocolate Company. पहले के जमाने में ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी थी, बट मुझे चाह था कि I wanted to start the Indian chocolate company. So this is what the concept created, and I proudly put everywhere, wherever I go, I proudly put, और मैंने नाम भी कुछ, I would have kept a name like La Vida, La Affair, ऐसा कुछ नाम रख सकता था, नहीं, मैंने इंडिया का देसी नाम रखा, that is Disha Chocolate, क्योंकि दिशा means right direction. I tell every foreign countries, we are going in right direction, and India has got all the talent which we can produce it, bring it, no problem, from wherever the cocoa comes.
Wow, that is something amazing. Now that brings me to the variety. आपने फिर with the 230 variety of chocolates, I believe you must have done a deep study of every region of the country to come up with so many varieties of different kind of chocolates. And again, I know you keep mentioning the health benefits of the chocolate. We spoke about the caramel part of it, where you gave us great tips on how to differentiate between a caramel based chocolate and an original cocoa based chocolate. Now, why don't you share some more things related to these varieties and the health benefits of chocolates?
Okay, Rashi, but right now the 230 has changed to 260 varieties of chocolates, first and foremost thing. And number two, you may not find me so big on social media and other places because my focus was on research. I was doing totally research on chocolates because I wanted, as I said, I wanted to bring some value addition, some value added products in the market which can benefit to right from child to and right from 8 months to 80-year-old man. From 8 months to 80-year-old, I wanted to bring chocolate. That was my concept, 8 to 80. That was my concept because I wanted everybody to have it. ऐसा नहीं है कि I will tell you, there are almost around 40 million people suffering from diabetes. But why should they be deprived about chocolates? So I got chocolates for diabetes also. So why should they suffer? Everybody should have the right to enjoy chocolates. So, okay, now coming back to the varieties, yes. Why did I get the varieties? Because I want to create chocolates in such a way, because I'll tell you, giving all respect to all our mithais and everything, the problem is there is so much of adulteration happening in mithais. There are so much of adulteration happening in mithais. So that is the one of the reason now it is slowly getting replaced with chocolates. So they're slowly getting replaced with chocolates. Even with chocolates, we need to be careful. So this is where I thought we need to give the country some kind of varieties of chocolates. So example, let me tell you one of the example. Now, COVID की देन, COVID में सबसे ज्यादा सबको क्या चाहिए था? Immunity. We all are worried. और आज भी चाहिए, हमको क्या चाहिए? Immunity. अभी इम्यूनिटी कहाँ से आएगी? एक होती है जो हम इंड्यूस करते हैं बाहर से, टैबलेट्स लेते हैं, इंजेक्शंस लेते हैं, हम सारी चीज लेते हैं. लेकिन मुझे, आई ऑल्सो बीइंग फ्रॉम अ फार्मा फील्ड, आई नेवर वांटेड टू ब्रिंग एनीथिंग सिंथेटिक और वांट टू ऐड एनीथिंग सिंथेटिक. I have done research on nuts, seeds of the world, nuts and seeds of the world, and I came up with the chocolates called as immunity booster chocolates. These are immunity booster chocolates. It contains 4 types of chocolates: calcium chocolates, iron chocolates, omega-3 chocolates and protein chocolates. Now, इसमें एक भी केमिकल नहीं है, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, नो शुगर इन दैट. नट्स एंड सीड्स जो पुराने जमाने के ट्रेडिशनल था अपना, उसको ही मैंने रिसर्च किया है और वर्ल्ड के अलग अलग जगहों से आई हैव ब्रॉट दिस नट्स एंड सीड्स एंड मेड दिस चॉकलेट. आपको कैल्शियम के बदले में आप चॉकलेट खाइए, प्रोटीन खाइए, जो हम खाने से हमको मिलता है. यू डोंट हैव टू, अभी अगर आपको ओमेगा 3 खाना है तो जरूरी नहीं है आपको फिश ऑयल खाना है. तो मेरे अगर आप चॉकलेट खाओगे तो फिश ऑयल खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप मेरा एक चॉकलेट खाइए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट कैन सफाइज योर इनटेक. सो दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट व्हाट आई वाज ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग. नाउ टेल मी, इज देयर एनी एज लिमिट फॉर दिस? ये चॉकलेट के लिए एज लिमिट है? नो. राइट फ्रॉम चिल्ड्रन टू एल्डरली पीपल, anybody to everybody, 8 to 80 concept, everybody can have this. So I try to bring such kind of a chocolate. So you want to talk me, I want to tell you one more thing. आप सब लोग अगर सुन रहे हैं, I'm sure first and foremost you know, you people are not getting bored. Let me make sure of that. Hope you all are not
at all, Deepak ji, please don't think that.
Okay.
Please carry on.
So now I'll tell you, एक चीज के बारे में मैं बताता हूँ. हम सब लोग गणपति बिठाते हैं, गणेश जी को बिठाते हैं हम गणपति के टाइम पे. हम सब लोग गणपति को बिठाते हैं, गणेश जी को हम बिठाते हैं, उनकी पूजा करते हैं, बाद में पानी में विसर्जन कर देते हैं, तोड़ देते हैं, फेंक देते हैं. We pollute the water. So I wanted to bring something innovative. So I came up with eco-friendly chocolate Ganesha. But you know what? लोगों ने बोला कि हम खाएंगे कैसा? तो I said you don't have to eat. आपको खाना नहीं है. आप मेरा गणपति जी है, जो मेरे गणपति है, चॉकलेट गणेशा, इट इज 17 सेंटीमीटर, 1.25, 2.5 kg. ये 2 साइजेस में किया है मैंने. और इसको मैंने फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग आई हैव डिजाइन एज पर इंडियन टेम्परेचर। आपको फ्रिज में रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, इट इज श्रिंक रैप्ड। आपको घर में नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर में रखो, इसके ऊपर आप हलद कुंकू, यू कैन शावर फ्लावर्स, हलद कुंकू एवरीथिंग, एंड यू कैन डू पूजा फॉर नॉट 10-20 बट 45 डेज। हम घर में 11 दिन तक बिताते हैं, बट मैंने इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ 45 डेज तक रखी है। इसके बाद में रिमूव द श्रिंक रैप, टेक 5 liters ऑफ हॉट मिल्क, डू विसर्जन इन हॉट मिल्क, इट विल बिकम चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक। नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस एज प्रसादम, नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस एज प्रसादम। हम देश को भी बचाएंगे, हम हमारे पैसे भी बचाएंगे और कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेटिव लेके आएंगे। यस, मैं जानता हूं, आई नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ elderly people who may not accept this concept, but slowly it's picking up. Slowly people are understanding the importance of it. So this was the value addition which I started 5 years back. And don't worry, in this I am giving 9 flavors including sugar free. जिसको जो पसंद है आप रखिए, कैरमल है, आपको मैंगो है, आपके लिए जो भी चाहिए करिए, हेजलनट है। So this is another concept which I brought it in the country. तो जो मैं अभी ये कोविड के दिनों में लास्ट ईयर के गणपति में मैं कई जगह पे भेजा, आपके शहर में दिल्ली में भेजा, मैंने यूएस में भेजा, कहाँ भी जहाँ होता है मैं वहां पर कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। और मुझे इसमें आई डोंट वांट टू अर्न मच मोर इन दैट, जस्ट चार्जिंग हार्डली एनीथिंग फॉर दैट, बिकॉज आई वांट टू प्रमोट एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट। I want to promote as a concept. I want people to come out of that pollution what we are creating. हमको भगवान जी को भी ये करना है, at the same time हम तीर्थ लेते ही हैं, उसी तरह से we can utilize this also. We can use it as a holy water. So these are the things what I try to bring it. I can tell you one more example. Should I tell you one more example? Am I allowed?
Please
Yeah.
do.
ओके, अभी मुझे आप सब लोग हैं, मुझे एक बात बताइए, आप सब लोग चिक्की तो खाते होंगे, आप सब लोग चिक्की तो खाते होंगे। इवन यू कैन यूज द चैट बार ऑल्सो इफ यू आर दिस थिंग। अगर आप सब लोग चिक्की खाते हैं तो मुझे एक बात बताइए, ये अपनी चिक्की तो 100 साल पुरानी ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट है, अपना बहुत ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट है। मुझे एक चिक्की बताइए जो दांत में नहीं चिपकती है, मुझे एक चिक्की बताइए जो दांत में नहीं चिपकती है। इज अ वेरी फनी क्वेश्चन, बट मैंने इस पे किया क्योंकि मैंने देखा है जब भी हम जाते हैं वो दांत में चिपकती है तो कई लोग छोड़ देते हैं, तो कई लोग डेंटिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो कुछ होता है। तो मैंने इस पे रिसर्च किया, तो मैंने जब देखा कि इसमें केमिकल यूज होता है, तो मैं बोला कि हमको ये इससे भी हमको हमारे देशवासियों को और बाहर वालों को छुटकारा देना है। सो व्हाट आई डिड, सो माय चिक्की का टैगलाइन, दिस इज माय चिक्की कॉल्ड एज नटी बटी। इसका टैगलाइन है लविंगली स्टिक्स टू योर हार्ट नॉट टू योर माउथ। ये मेरा टैगलाइन है। एंड इसमें इट इज मेड आउट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक जैगरी, पीनट्स एंड 7 कोटिंग ऑफ चॉकलेट्स। ऑर्गेनिक जैगरी, पीनट्स एंड 7 कोटिंग ऑफ चॉकलेट्स। सो इट इज no sugar added in this. It is no sugar added in this, which is very good for women especially, which is rich in iron and protein. Awesome. Which is rich in iron and protein. So friends, what I did was I was trying to bring some innovation. I was trying to bring some tradition in this. And as you said, especially today's our program is for elderly, I have made it soft. It's a soft. आपके दांत असली हो या नकली हो, ये काफी आराम से टूटेगा, और it is a very soft chicky. So this is one of my another product which I brought to this market, and this is what I'm trying to add value to this product.
Sir, Deepak ji, so you mentioned about elderly, and my next question was based on that. That do you have any specific product or range which is specifically for elders and goes beyond just being sugar free?
Thank you so much for asking this. In fact, मेरा ये अगला product launch यही है. मेरा अगला product launch यही है. It's a chocolate for elders. It's a chocolate for elders, which will be a combination of different things. Which will be a combination of different things, but there will be no sugar in that. There will be no sugar in that. There will be something very natural, which we are bringing. I'm trying to bring it, and I'm spending a lot of time in research. I'm trying to bring a lot of time in research. So, in fact, I can share you one more thing also. Apart from elderly, it might sound little funny, but it's something very different. I have come up with a chocolate only for women. I have come up with a chocolates only for women. अभी सब लोगों की आंखें अलग अलग हो जाती है कि ओनली फॉर वुमेन क्यों, और क्या है क्या ये. So that is what they say. Now, same thing is in my background. If you see my background, virtual background. So friends, women suffer a lot during their menstrual cycle. They suffer with, I have taken, there are many problems, but I have taken 7 problems. One, fatigue. When they go through menstrual cycle, first thing is fatigue. Second, उनको cravings होती है, जो सब लोगों को समझ पाना मुश्किल होता है. Then they need antioxidant because there's a blood involved in that. Most important, cramps. जो उनको क्रैम्प्स होते हैं वुमेन को, एनी वुमेनहुड इन द वर्ल्ड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो दे नीड एनर्जी बूस्टर आल्सो. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, मूड स्विंग्स. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मूड स्विंग्स व्हेन men don't understand that. And last but not least, bloating. तो नाउ ये सारी चीजों को लेके मैं आई वाज स्टडीइंग दिस फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आई स्टडीड अगेन आयुर्वेदिक हर्ब्स, अपने पुराने जमाने के आयुर्वेदिक हर्ब्स, क्योंकि अपने पास खजाना है which we are not able to utilize. So I studied on Ayurvedic herbs, amino acids, proteins, vitamins, salts, and I came up with first ever chocolate for women in the world. No company has done this. I have come with first ever chocolate, 5 days of periods, 5 different chocolates. 5 days of periods, 5 different chocolate, Disha Sakhi periods chocolate. So this is my another product which I put it for patent, and this is my another gift to the country or to the womanhood.
This is again a brilliant initiative, Deepak ji. Now, another thing, you are so knowledgeable about the chocolates and the various combinations of this. Don't you think there should be some place where, you know, all the knowledge comes together and people can probably read it and learn more from you?
Okay, again a very interesting question, Rashi. So see, as you said कि I also believe always knowledge जब हम सीखते हैं, जब अपना experience होता है, we need to share it. We need to share it. सिर्फ हम अपने साथ लेके चले जाएंगे तो क्या फायदा है? We need to share to younger generation. We need to share to all types of generations so that it becomes a knowledge sharing to everybody. So Rashi, you have nailed it. And with this, I have become an author. I have written a book on chocolates called as Chocolate Civilization. 4,000 year history of chocolate.
Wow.
चॉकलेट कहां से आया, किस देश से आया, किस देश में कब आया, when did it start, and do you know, I will tell something from the book. Do you know cocoa beans were once used as currency? Cocoa beans once were used as currency. दहेज में देते थे. They used to be exchanged. They used to be there. That was a currency. And I will tell you one more thing. Cocoa beans जो है, cocoa जो है ना, chocolate पहले बाद में बना. पहले it started as a medicinal drink. Do you know the benefits of chocolates actually? Today, now I'll tell you the benefits of chocolate. First and foremost thing, it was used as a medicinal drink. It's an cardiac friendly. It helps you to reduce your blood pressure. Okay. It helps you to, पहले के जमाने में doctor used to prescribe, please do have dark cocoa chocolate. उसके अंदर France and Spain added sugar and then that they made it to a chocolate. Otherwise, there was a lot of cocoa beans and cocoa powder that helps you to reduce the chocolate. Dark chocolate helps you to reduce the BP. It is very good for heart. It's an antioxidant. It contains it's a natural antioxidant. And now, most important question: 99 people don't know the origin of the chocolate. I have seen many chocolatiers don't know the origin. Definitely, the origin of the chocolate is the cocoa fruit. And where this cocoa fruit comes, it's widely grown in Africa, Latin America, Indonesia, Malaysia. एक छोटा सा ये होता है ऊटी और कोडाईकनाल में जब आप जाते हो तो एक होममेड मिलता है, एक जस्ट उतनी सी होती है. But the best cocoa comes from Africa, Latin America, Belgium and other places. So these are the things what is the knowledge sharing, and I have written a book. It's available on Amazon or Kindle. You can always read it. So
that is amazing. And again, there are more health benefits of certain things which you would like to share with our audience, Deepak ji. So please feel free to do that.
ये सी as I always say कि आपको एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा है, समझो मुझे आप क्वेश्चन पूछोगे कि हमको रोज कितनी चॉकलेट्स खानी चाहिए,
हाँ.
रोज कितनी चॉकलेट्स खानी चाहिए, व्हाट इज देयर एनी लिमिट? सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन प्रोडक्ट टू प्रोडक्ट, उसमें कोको कंटेंट कितना है. तो मेरे हिसाब से यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव a chocolate not more than 200 grams is the maximum limit you can have. And I'm telling you, every day having a chocolate will really help you to improve your health. It's an antioxidant by naturally, because it is made out of fruit, it's made out of beans, it is made out of beans, it is a natural one. जो हम बाकी के फ्रूट्स जिस तरीके से खाते हैं उसका भी ये पाउडर है, उससे ही हम चॉकलेट बनाते हैं. So this is one thing which I would like to say. Now there are various combination of cocoa and chocolates where we are bringing like omega-3. Omega-3 chocolates अगर आप खाते हैं, it is very good for heart and brain. It's a fantastic for heart and brain. Protein chocolate is fantastic. Protein chocolates आपको पता है, because we all need proteins. और natural proteins are the best. जितना आप induced लोगे उतना ही आपको फिर वो आदत पड़ जाती है कि हमको खाने की. If you have natural, then our body can build naturally. So I think there are many benefits of chocolate, but these are one of the things which I can say. And especially for women, as I said, कि iron के लिए, blood pressure के लिए, and especially for, I said, for periods, chocolates are good and very fantastic with this.
So the thing is, Deepak ji, I think that it is a good time we move to some of the questions our audience have put up. If you are okay with that, and
please go ahead.
If more people have questions, please you can share that with me directly or as a group message for everyone, and I can read it out. I have received few questions already. One is very interesting because when you were speaking about the health benefits of the chocolates, it was said, asked us, but doctors advise not to eat chocolates. So how can we, why do they do that? And what can we do to understand this better?
So it is not fault of the doctors. Especially, see, I tell my dentist also, कि a pure cocoa based chocolate will never damage your teeth. A caramel based or the adulterated chocolates can really damage your teeth. So doctors are right in their place, but at the same time, the knowledge sharing is also not there because there is no awareness about the chocolates. There is no awareness about the chocolates. And now I'll tell you something very, again, interesting in that, which I have not shared it. We all are crazy. We Indians are all crazy about liquor chocolates. हम सब लोग liquor chocolates के लिए बहुत crazy है. हम खाए या नहीं खाए, लेकिन हमारे दोस्त के लिए, हमारे बगल वाले के लिए हम जरूर लेके आते हैं जब हम बाहर जाते हैं. We always try
to about eating it myself also.
See, so now, but मेरा क्या था? What I was thinking is कि हम बाहर से क्यों लाए? भाई इंडिया में टैलेंट की कमी है क्या? Is there any shortfall of talent? So I thought, let me make it. But I'll tell you, जब मैंने एक स्टडी किया, जब हम बाहर से लाते हैं, so there is a stinge of liquor. There's only a stinge of liquor. But इंडिया में आप सब लोग जानते हो, हमको सबको टल्ली होने की आदत है, हमको जरा brimful होने की आदत है. So my chocolate size is of pani puri. It contains a good ml of alcohol. You can eat like pani puri and enjoy liquor and chocolates. And this,
that's very interesting. Also.
So this was the last thing I wanted to say, क्योंकि अगर कोई दूसरा चॉकलेट काम में नहीं आए तो ये चॉकलेट जरूर काम में आएगा. That's what I wanted to say.
With a week to go for Holi and Holi, bhang, everything in combination, I think liquor chocolate is the one which has to be there. In fact, that reminds me. I know about your entire range for Diwali which you had done, and of course I was also quite this thing to know more about it. So do you have such kind of products for every occasion?
For every occasion and for every festival. Example, let's say if you have a marriage anniversary or birthday of anybody close to you, let's say 25th or 30th birthday or a marriage anniversary, send me 30 photographs. I'll print on the chocolate. I will print on the chocolate which are edible. I can send it to you. I can give you, I see, instead of giving a flower bouquet, you can give a chocolate bouquet. Because flowers die, but chocolate don't die. Instead of gifting a chocolate bouquet, you can give a chocolate bouquet and you can customize. Let's say your one of friend is a diabetic or a calorie conscious. I can send them the chocolate bouquet in sugar-free chocolates.
Wow.
So, and apart from this, as you said, every occasion, अभी होली आ रही है ना?
जी.
तो होली के लिए मैंने एक स्पेशल चॉकलेट डिजाइन किया है. First time I am getting it. It's called Thandai chocolates. No bhang in that, but it's Thandai chocolates.
Wow. So what's the
Thandai
specialty of
chocolates.
that?
So I can also give you a combination of Thandai. Let's say it's a pack of 24, 12 chocolates of liquor and 12 chocolates of Thandai. You can have it as a combo, or you can have only Thandai chocolates.
Nice.
So you tell me any occasion. You tell me any occasion. I have got chocolates. कोई भी festival ले लो, मेरे पास chocolates है.
So I've just received a question just on that. If we have to get customized chocolates from you, what is the timeline? कितना time आपको देना पड़ेगा उसके लिए? Lead time?
2 दिन, 2 days.
Okay, but
2 days for manufacturing. 2 days for manufacturing, and rest all are for courier.
So I will just ask a quick question just to get an idea. I know you're based in Pune. We are based in Delhi. So how much time will it take? So about 3 days for the courier to reach me?
Yeah, maximum is 4 days. Maximum is 4 days. I deliver in Delhi. I deliver in Delhi. I deliver in Assam. You tell me the corner of the, because I am available on Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. I serve the entire country. In fact, my tagline is "We deliver worldwide."
Oh wow!
We deliver worldwide. I have delivered to Ireland. I have delivered to Turkey. I have delivered to US. You tell me the country, because as I said again, my actual tagline is the Indian chocolate company. I have to reach to 100 countries. That's my target.
So you said you are, okay, that was my next question actually, how to order. So you said you are available on all the e-commerce sites. However, again, coming back to the customized chocolate, of course, we cannot use those e-commerce sites. So is there any email ID or website or phone number where somebody can reach you if they want to, have a specific customized order?
For customized chocolates, see my website dishachocolates.com is an e-commerce, but there may be not all customized one. You can just, I'm a call away. I'm just a call away. Just call me, discuss with me. I will give you ideas. Just tell me the occasion or whatever the celebration is there. I will give you some ideas. We can customize as per your budget. And one more thing I have forgot to tell you, Rashi. I being into premium chocolates, I'm moving into premium and cocoa based chocolate. It is not like that ki I will give you, matlab you have to give me order of 100 or 200 boxes.
Okay.
My company policy is you can order even 1 box of chocolate, because I want everybody to taste the original chocolates. You can order even 1 box. I can start from 50, 100 rupees to any range. I can serve you, because I want everybody to taste my chocolates.
That's brilliant, and I think that is a amazing marketing strategy, considering I am myself a strategist, so I get that what you are trying to build over here, and it's a brilliant strategy to have, Deepak ji. So that's one thing. Now I have one more question about the cocos.
Okay.
So it is specific again for your company that from where do you get your cocos? Do you get it from Africa especially?
Okay. Again, a very interesting question. I get cocoa from 27 countries.
Wow.
Now, why? Agar ek country, see, I have set it up. See, agar samjho, if I get it from Africa, so I can use it for dark, but I cannot use it for milk. I cannot use it for white. So different product ke liye, if I got 260 varieties, I need to have different kind of cocoa. I need to have different kind of combination, different kind of manufacturing. So I get it from different countries. They are all product specific. It's not like that I can use any cocoa for anything.
That's amazing, actually. So I got a bit speechless the moment you said that you order cocos from 27 different countries. So I was like, wow, that must have been a great, chain which you would have created in the background for you to have that kind of a supply. And that would also mean that no matter what happens, you will always be ready with a chocolate to supply to people in the world. Now, another question I'm being asked is that, cocoa probably is bitter, and that is why sugar is added to it for it to taste better. So when you make those chocolates where you are saying that they can be sugar free or you use more of cocoa, then does those chocolates also taste bitter?
Okay. Very interesting question. Cocoa by nature, by characteristic, it is bitter in nature, but not all. But not all, because different country has got different types of cocoa. Number one. Number two, yes, we dilute it by not only adding sugar, but we add cocoa butter also. There are many things which are added. So it's not always sugar. It's not always sugar. There are many ingredients which we add to that. There are a lot of, we put ingredients to enhance their activities. So sometimes we use sugar-free also, like stevia. We use stevia. There are again different types of sugar-free which are suitable for cocoa. Not all sugar-free are suitable for cocoa. That people don't understand. So there are different things which are there. So that is another thing. And there are certain things where there is no sugar-free, no sugar. There are something else products which add sweetness to that, little bit sweetness to that. So yes, and 11% people in the country or world, they like dark chocolates. They like dark chocolates. There are only 11% people, bitter chocolates.
Absolutely. So I am not a bitter chocolate fan. So I come in that 11, out of that 11%, I'm definitely out of that. And let me to take this question a bit more ahead. I will just add my 2 cents. Well, I have had the chocolates produced by Deepak ji, and they are amazing to taste. And I believe as a chocolate person, a manufacturer of chocolate, he knows we all need sweetness in our chocolate, because chocolates is defined by its sweetness. So he would definitely know how to give that as a product and not offer us a bitter product. And that's why, you know, no matter what the cocoa originally tastes like, he is going to ensure that it is sweetened for us and comes with health benefits. So do you think, is there anything else people need to know? There are a lot of myths associated with chocolates. So is there certain things which people should know about chocolates?
So as I said, see, please be read down the, whenever you buy a chocolate, read it. Read the base of the cocoa and what is the percentage of cocoa. So it also depends. And also apart from that, just try to taste and then try to take it. Just be aware of that. All chocolates are not bad. There are a lot of good chocolates also. Only thing is you need to identify and try and taste it. And that's only one thing I would say. And we are trying to bring many more chocolates so that it can be reachable. We have kept it online so that we are just away. And we are now slowly coming up with distributors around in India. And there are a lot of resellers coming up. So they will be also selling the chocolates.
Oh, wow, that's brilliant. Now, what I'm also going to do it, this is a bit unprecedented, Deepak ji. I generally don't do this, but this topic is so interesting. So all our people who are signed in here at Zoom, if they want to share anything or specifically ask Deepak ji, I know you have shared certain questions over the chat with me. Yet, if you wish to share something or say something to Deepak ji, now is the time. Please feel free. So, and before we close the evenings, because we have come to the end of today's event. So just before we do that, let's see if anyone wants to share anything. Please go ahead. Yeah, you can just unmute yourself and share your point of view, please. Yes, Urvashi.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Happiest birthday, Deepak ji. This is Urvashi Kamath from Mumbai.
Thank you.
And I am really become a huge fan of yours now. I'm actually not a chocolate person, but my daughter, she just loves chocolate. She has to have one chocolate after lunch and one after dinner.
Oh, okay.
So you have given me a big, opportunity. I'll be connecting to you very soon.
Sure.
From Pune to Bombay, how I can have a regular supply
Don't
of healthy chocolates. And mostly the biggest thing is that chikki wala concept.
Absolutely.
I love chikkis. Okay. And she eats chocolates, but I eat chikki, and I can eat chikki for every meal. So wow. I would like to repeat that with your nutty, I think nutty
butty.
nutty butty, that thing. So, and second thing that I wanted to actually talk about was, I have just been introduced to, now I understand your reason for your activeness, your energy. It's you have that positive aura, not just by being you, but being so natural in giving a natural substitute of health, you know. So I would definitely love to, you know, talk personally with you. I mean, I don't want to take much time here, but thanks a lot for, you know, sending this particular link to listen to you and to listen to about 260 types of chocolate. That is awesome. That's just
mind blowing, isn't it?
it is. I mean, I'm not a chocolate person, but as he said, on airports, I look out for that liquor chocolates.
I know.
Because if not chocolate, let me have something else. So I'll be connecting with him for so many things.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Diabetic chocolates, health chocolates, female chocolates.
Absolutely.
And if something possible for PCOD, if you have got some.
It's all for PCD only. What these chocolates are for PCD only. PCOD only.
Okay.
I will explain you in detail when we talk on the phone.
Yeah, definitely. I'll be talking to you. I mean, this is a huge platform. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, Urvashi,
for giving me the opportunity to talk. Thank you.
Yeah, you're most welcome, Urvashi. So that's there. Is there anyone else who wants?
Yes. Hello, I'm Baliram here.
Yes, Baliram. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Deepak ji. Wish you happy birthday.
Thank you.
There.
No problem.
That's the main idea, and I think Manisha ji has unmuted herself. So before she comes on, another thing I would also like to invite her to give the vote of thanks for today. So over to you, Manisha ji.
Thank you so much, Rashi.
Yeah, Deepak ji, you were saying.
See, I'll tell you before the vote of thanks. एक छोटी सी शायरी I'll tell you for everybody.
Hey, please.
I always say that's my favorite शायरी, so I'll just repeat it here. नजर को बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, नजर को बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच को बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच को बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे। कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों, कश्तियां बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है दोस्तों, दिशा चॉकलेट से जुड़ जाओ, मंजिलें अपने आप मिल जाएगी, मंजिलें अपने आप।
क्या बात है। Brilliant, that was wonderful, Deepak ji.
So दीपक जी, आपने नजर की बात की, तो मैं सिर्फ ये कहती हूँ कि आपकी बात से लोगों के नजरिए बदल जाएंगे, और जब नजरिए बदल जाएंगे तो सही चीज की तरफ उनके रास्ते बन जाएंगे। सो बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आपको कि आप ऐसे रास्ते बना रहे हैं where people can actually enjoy everything without getting any bad impact on their health, and especially as per children, they really go for chocolate. They always want chocolate. बच्चे तो क्या मतलब, even I think I also always look forward for chocolate. मैं तो सोच रही हूँ राशि जी, we must all the Harikrit core members must plan a trip to his place. Please. And we must meet him personally.
Please do.
I think Harikrit core members to सारे के सारे
my pleasure. It will be my honor to be there with you all, and always we can do it. And 100% आप जब भी आओगे, absolutely complete, जब तक पेट नहीं भर जाता है, जब तक चॉकलेट्स रहेंगे और साथ में भी लेके जाएंगे।
So sweet of you, thank you so much. मेरी कोशिश हमेशा ये रहेगी कि हम लोगों के ग्रुप में, हम लोगों के नेटवर्क में बहुत सारे एल्डरली लोग रहते हैं जिन्हें चॉकलेट पसंद है और वो खा नहीं पाते हैं ड्यू टू एन नंबर ऑफ रीजंस। सो आपसे बात करके मुझे ये लग रहा है, और जिन लोगों ने सुना भी है, वो सब लोग जरूर चाहेंगे कि वापस से जो वो कभी अपने बचपन में, कभी अपने टाइम पे बहुत मजे से चॉकलेट खाया करते थे, एक बार फिर से खा सकें। Because I have heard कि there are many products which are available in sugar free form, but actually कितना sugar free होता है वो हमें पता नहीं होता। But with you we can be confident enough and we can tell our people to go for these healthy chocolates.
Yes.
For once we can say healthy chocolates. Yes. And enjoy them. और मेरे जानने में तो जितने भी लोग सुन रहे हैं, और मेरे पास बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे थे, बीच बीच में मुझे उनके जवाब देने पड़ रहे थे कि हाउ टू गेट दिस चॉकलेट, हाउ टू कनेक्ट. सो मैं कुछ मैसेजेस दे रही थी राशि जी को, बट साथ में मैं अपने उससे भी फोन से भी मैसेजेस कर रही थी कि अगर आप नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं, देयर वर सम प्लेसेस वेयर देयर वर सम इंटरनेट इश्यूज, दे वर नॉट एबल टू लिसन टू द डिटेल्स. Now I would like if Rashi could just end up with messaging the contact address at the chat, so that at least जो लोग साथ में हैं उनको मिल जाए, and later on also we can share them so that बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपसे कनेक्ट होना चाह रहे हैं, और हरिकृत के बहुत सारे मेंबर्स हैं जो आपसे बात करना चाहेंगे. And again I would also like to share we come out with a newspaper called Sanchi Sanj, which is a bilingual newspaper, and it is also the first multimedia paper for those people who cannot read due to visionary problems because of the age. They can listen to the paper. So I would rather request you to please send us an article so that we can make your things reach all the people who we are reaching through the newspaper, because this is something that is very useful for everyone, especially the senior people. बहुत कम रंग रह जाते हैं after a certain age, and अगर हम उन्हें कुछ भी ऑफर कर सकते हैं तो वो उनके लिए भी अच्छा होगा, और एक अच्छी चीज है जो आप लोगों को दे रहे हैं, तो इसकी इंफॉर्मेशन क्यों ना सब तक पहुंचाई जाए.
Sure. I will definitely share and send it to you, and also I'll be sharing you. मैं जब भी elders के लिए जब भी जो भी करता रहूंगा, I'll try to send you an article or a blog. आप सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा, which will be useful, their health benefits and everything. I will 100% share with you. और आपका हरकित के I will 100% share, and thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much, and I'll close the event by again wishing you a very happy birthday. और हर साल हर दिन आप ऐसे ही अच्छे काम करते जाएं, बड़ों की आपको आशीर्वाद मिले, आपके जो बराबर के एज के लोग हैं उनसे आपको गुड विशेस मिले, और जो आपसे छोटे हैं वो आपको ढेर सारा प्यार दें, क्योंकि जो आप उनके लिए कर रहे हैं और जो आप सबके लिए कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही चॉकलेटी है. Thank you so much, Deepak ji, for being with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to all the members for patiently listening to me, and thank you so much for bringing me here and giving me an opportunity and also celebrating my birthday. Thank you, Rashi, and thank you so much, and thank you all the members of Harkit. Thank you so much. फिर मिलेंगे. Till then, let's have chocolatey time all the time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy evening to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I have shared Deepak ji's number in the chat. Anyone else, otherwise people who are watching us live on Facebook, you want to connect with Deepak ji, you can always write to us at info@harikrit.com or sanjisanj@gmail.com, and we will share with you details of Deepak ji. One thing which I missed right at the beginning, I also need to thank our sponsors for today, which is Petronas Business Consultants. They have been with us for a long time and sponsoring our events. So thank you very much to the team at Petronas Business Consultants. They are consultants who work with startups and help them create business models. So thank you very much for joining and being with us today, and a very good evening to all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.